Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In today's session, we'll talk about one more interesting disease. Now, when there is a loss of blood due to accident or injury, or when you cut your fingers while cutting onions in the kitchen, there is a process of clot, like bleeding starts, and after some time, you must have realized the blood gets coagulated and the bleeding stops. So that happens in case of normal individuals. In case of hemophilic person, when there is a loss of blood due to accident or injury, there is an impaired process of clotting due to absence of factor 8 or 9. So in this case, the person lose a lot of blood from his body. So hi everyone, I am Sanjay Lad. Welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic. In today's session, I'll talk about hemophilia, which is an X-linked inheritance. As there is a loss of blood from the person, therefore the disease is also called as bleeder's disease, and as it was associated with royal family of British, therefore it is also called as royal disease. So let us understand the science behind hemophilia. Students, to understand the concept of hemophilia, let us take one example. If a hemophilic male marries with normal female, then what will be the nature of their offsprings? As we know now that hemophilia is associated with X chromosome, therefore we'll show the gene for hemophilia on X chromosome only. Now let capital H be the gene for normal clotting, whereas small h be the gene for hemophilia. With this information, let us write the genotype of the parents. Now the first parent given is hemophilic male, that will be X small hy, whereas the female is given normal in the problem, so female will be X capital H X capital H. Now female produces two types of ova but same type, that is X capital H X capital H, whereas male produces two types of sperm, X small hy. During fertilization, as you know, this female gamete will fuse with this male gamete to form zygote. First individual formed is X capital H X small h type, that is carrier female. Then second is X capital H Y, that is normal male. Third is X capital H X small h carrier female, and last is X capital H and Y, that is normal male. Now I want you to understand one concept here, that the hemophilic gene, recessive gene from father is given to daughter. I'll repeat again. The recessive gene, that is hemophilic gene, is given from father to daughter. Please make a note of it. Now when we solve this problem further, that is say, so this carrier female marries with a person like a normal male. That is, if a carrier female marries with a normal male, then what will be the nature of their offsprings? Now the genotype of this carrier female will be X capital H X small h, whereas normal male will have X capital H Y genotype. The ova of the female are X capital H X small h type, whereas the ova of male are the sperms of male are X capital H and Y. Now during fertilization, the gametes unite to form zygote. So first individual is X capital H X capital H, that is normal female. Second is X capital H Y, that is normal male. Third is X capital H X small h, carrier female, and last is X small h and Y, that is hemophilic male. Now what is happening here, that the genes from this father is given to his daughter, from this daughter it is given to her son. So this type of inheritance is called as criss-cross inheritance. So is the transmission of character from father to daughter to son, that is called as criss-cross inheritance. So this type of example we have seen in one of the previous videos, that is in case of color blindness. So color blindness and hemophilia both shows criss-cross inheritance. So students, I hope you are understanding the concept of hemophilia and what is the biology behind it. Students, to get hands-on experience of solving such genetics problem, I highly recommend you to solve these two problems which are there on the screen. So first is hemophilic female marries with normal male. Second is hemophilic female marries with hemophilic male. So I highly recommend you to solve these problems and give the answers of these two problems in the comment sections below. And at the end, I request you all to like my channel, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press bell icon. And thank you for watching this video.